We are going to learn how to pair our hearing devices on an Android phone. So the first thing I'm going to do is we are going to go into our Play Store. This is the app for my hearing devices, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to download that. It is a free app, and what this app is going to help me to do is stay connected to my hearing devices, but more importantly, it gives me control over them through volume and different things like that through my phone. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to open up the app. And then I have restarted my hearing devices. I put them on the charger and I just took them off. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to hit pair now. And I am allowing location, so if I need to be able to enable find my hearing aids, I have that option. And yes, I did go ahead and I did restart my hearing devices. And now it's going to search and detect for my hearing devices. Yes, those are my hearing devices. I'm going to hit yes. And I'm allowing Bluetooth pairing. And ask twice because I have a right and a left. And perfect. I am connected here. And you can see here I can access my volume up and down. I can separate them. Just some really good options for me to have personally. And again, it's just easy. That way I don't have to touch the buttons on my devices. I just pull out my phone. So I hope that was helpful. That's how to connect your hearing devices to your Android phone.